going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Man, the market's in a correction phase, huh, guys? Correction. And over with the MOJO Day Trading team, too. Let me put on my background. There we go. What's going on, guys? Oh, Mojo's getting ready today. Yeah, yes. That's what we do. So today's going to be an exciting day. The markets, the futures are down big. SQQ and the NASDAQ. SQQ's up 10%, so the NASDAQ's down 10%. And SPY's down 10 points. A lot of action. Let's head over to the MOJO Day Trading room and say hello to the team this morning. All right, guys. What do we got going on this morning, everybody? Let's see in the Mojo room. We do our morning routine like we do every day. Right here. Lucky guys are in IMPP. For those that back up on IMPP because you got stuck yesterday, congratulations. The only reason it's not down and you're not continually stuck is because I have it. I did not have it. And if I did have it, you would definitely not have come back in that thing. Absolutely. So congratulations for coming back on that. And we got that was a good round table last night that I had on my Twitter space. Excellent round table, guys. Excellent round table. Really cool. Just made a great trade. So I had the Jaws NFT. I had Ranchy Rednecks, Nick Small. Had Chronic Cats. Had Newman NFT. Had a Knights NFT. Had like some really great roundtable last night. It was cool. And I gave away 2 NFTs last night. A Jaws and and Sketchy 8 Book Club was on there last night. That was awesome. Gave away a Sketchy. And then CEI this morning. So I was just showing Nate how to put out signals in the room to the team because the chat room's growing. You know, a lot of new people in here, so just putting out a symbol doesn't do much. So the way you should do it in the room is like this. CEI is continuing from yesterday, has big volume, can move up to $1 as yesterday's high was 91 cents. I remember it from looking at it one time yesterday that the high went to 91. And I sold SQQ early. I was short up at 53.20 and it came, I should have held one lot, but I made 385, but I could have made $3,000. I said, I'm going to buy two lots. I'm going to hold one. And I didn't. Because I really didn't have to because I'm in my evaluation, a new evaluation account. Hey, you know what I do when I get into a trade? You know what I do? As soon as I enter the futures trade, guys, do you guys want to know? I think I'm going to lose. I think I'm going to lose immediately, and I watch for the loss, and then when it goes red, I add the next one, and then I know I'm losing, and then I cut it. I cut it 3 times, and every single time I've cut it was a great cut on a reprice, and I was able to trade where it was and do amazing. And if I didn't, I would have, like old school, added into that stupid loser and then not done good. So as soon as I enter the trade, I'm like, I don't think about a profit at all. I just think about loser. And then when it's green, I'm like, cool, let's ride this baby out as long as I can. So I'm so apprehensive when I get in. First thing I think of, it's like in the ring, you know, I'm a defensive fighter. I'm great at the block and then the counter punch, you know. So I'm like duck and weave, block, boom, you know. I'm not thinking, you know, I'm a defensive fighter. I'm a risk manager. I look for my opportunity to strike, and then I do it. Yep. All right, let's fly over to the MOJO screen, and we'll see what's hot and what's not this morning, and check her on out. All righty, boys and girls, let's see what we got today. SQQ 5228. I nailed it right up at the top there at 53.14 for the reversal. Actually, right under 53. It went through. Then I was doing it longs over 53 for it to come down and Nazi to go up, and I nailed it good, dude. But I could have nailed it a lot better. Because the first time I did it, it came down to stopping station right here. Look, 77, watch. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, it like went up again. I thought it did, like here or something like that. 52.77 from 53.10. See that? And I'm like, oh my gosh. And then it did it again. Went to 89. And then it went to 20. I shorted it right at 20, man. It's cool. Now it's 52.20. Let's see what gainers are going on in the room today. Servers for Discord show Skin, Reggie, TCMD, Swear. I'll put up some of those on the screen. All right, Facebook's down at 191. Let's delete all these. Let's check out IMPP today, which you guys got lucky on. Oh, it's back down, but it's up 37% on 18 million shares. Then you got leave it up there. IMPP, Regi, REGI down $1.50. No thanks. TCMD, Swear, that's Sierra Wireless. WTTR, 875. Select Energy. Moderna's doing good today. 139.1 for Moderna. Look. Moderna's popping. I like Moderna. Moderna, mRNA, is going to be in play today. So let's take these off the screen. I'm playing Moderna. Not IMPP. I'm playing Moderna. And I don't want to watch a loser I don't have, that you shouldn't be in because you got bag hold. And I never bag hold in day trading, ever, ever, ever. I reprice it at stopping stations. I buy at stopping stations, and if it goes lower, I reprice it to the next one. That's all it is, dudes. So I really like Moderna. I'm going to mark it with 100 shares. Let's move to the next. It's going through 142, 143, 144. So for the options, guys, Moderna's a one. If it dips, you can catch it to 138, but I doubt it's going to go 140, may go 145, mini 150 on Moderna. That could be an amazing here. It's 144 already, I told you. So Moderna for the options play and the trend trade. That means buy the open, sell the close. 144 now. Told you. Up 2 points already on Moderna. I'm going to take a profit right here. Done. Sold 144, 50 shares. I'm going to do sell again. 144.12. Sold 25 shares. Ching. Moderna. Moderna. NVAX. Hey, my one from yesterday might go. Diatica. DYAI, guys. Diatic. These guys make the COVID protein enhancing. Oh, dude, this could be the gem, Della gem, Della gem, Della gem. And remember who gave it to you? Remember who gave it to you? Diatica. Diatic. Whatever, Diatica. I call them all different names. Like Donkey Kong is DKNG, which is DraftKings. I call it DKNG. See this DraftKings? I call that Donkey Kong. Yo, there goes Donkey Kong, but it's DraftKings. So I got it. There goes Diatica. It's but Diatic, whatever. Diatica in the Attica. And Moderna, 142.50. Mojo sold 144. I'll rebuy that dip for sure. For sure. What do we got? 52 beans on that SQQ. What are you guys looking at in the room? Got in some KuCoin this morning. Got a new little coin I got in my KuCoin wallet. Got my KuCoin. I'm in some great NFT. Isn't there some great NFT projects, bro? Nate, isn't there some like the ones I had last night on my show? Aren't they some really good projects because they have some great docs teams with some really amazing, successful people that have been in like Fortune 500 companies now that are like running these projects, NFTs, because they like want to have fun and do good things. It's such a cool thing, dude. It really is. And I'm like hooking up with them is even a better thing. Who T-Bags? What's up, buddy? I can't hear you, T. I can't hear you, Nate. You're all mumbled. Rugged. Rugged like a bug in a rug.
No. You want to put this one over there?
Awesome, dude. I'm going to have a MOJO Day Trading chronic cat. Sketchy is real interesting now. Sketchy's been interesting the whole time. I told you, dude. Sketchy 8 Book Club's the best, bro. I've been telling you that for
new program.
For a while. I've been telling you that, brother.
You want to put this on the outside?
I can't hear you.
On the outside, you got three on the outside and start stacking in.
Fast guy, you're rugged. I can't hear a word you're saying. Your microphone's all messy, chessy. What's up, Scrubs? You back in the house? How are you back in the house? What happened to your profile?
I chat.
No, you're rugged, fast guy. Can't talk. You're rugging like a chugging and a bugging. I don't know how. Check your microphone, man. Your settings in the thing. Test it first. Scrubs, I got the book and read it, bro. The Miracle on the Side. I told people about it too, dude. It's the best freaking book ever. I'm Travis. Wait till I tell you what happened. You ain't gonna believe it. You ain't gonna believe it, dude. You're not gonna believe what happened to me. I had his moment. I had his moment, bro. Let me tell you what happened, kid. OMG. Let me head over to the Mojo room. Yo, fast guy, you gotta mute your mic because you're rugging. We can't hear anything but static cling. Static cling. Yeah, you can't hear a word you're saying. If you don't mute yourself, I'm gonna have to mute you because you're disturbing the rest of the room because you're really rugging bad. So mute your mic on the bottom, please. Fast guy. All right, let me mute him. He's muted. Okay, guys, listen. So yeah, I read that book, dude. Book's amazing. Look, I'm up another 2 beans on. I bought it at 140. It's 141.50 now, dude. I went out the next day and I played golf, and I was doing amazing. I played the 17th. I didn't birdie it, but I was up there for a birdie. But let me tell you what happened. I played with these 3 guys, right? And I told them about the book. Then, you ain't gonna believe it. I'm like 9 iron, chipping in front of the green, just off the collar because I hit it a little short, right? First, I chipped in a sand wedge on number 1. So I hit driver, 4 iron, 4 iron, sand wedge, chip in. Okay. I'm like, wow, this is pretty cool. Miracle already. And you don't chip in a lot. It like hit the pin, went right in. So I'm like, that was the first hole, bro. I'm like, so cool, right? Then I'm off the green on the backside with a 9-iron. And I'm like, this is the exact situation he's in. He's 40 yards from the pin. He's just got to flick it on there and hit the line. And I'm like, I'm going to do the same thing, dude. And I flick it on there. It hits the line, goes on the green, hits the pin right in, dude. And I'm like, I drop to my knees. I'm like, I'm fucking Travis. No freaking way did that just happen. Then I'm on the 17th green and I try to do his I walk up to the putt, then I walk to the side to make believe I'm talking to my wife and I'm talking to the fans. And there's a million fans around the green. And I'm there with Raymond Floyd and Jack Nicklaus, but it's the two playing partners. And they called me this Australian guy that I look like him. I'll tell you his name. I forget his name. But let me tell you what happened. So I go up and I walk back to the putt and I missed the putt, dude. He made the putt. So I missed the putt on 17. Then I go to 18, right? And I'm on the green for 18 for the win with a birdie. And I hit an amazing putt. And when I picked it up out of the hole, I looked at my playing partner and I blinked at him, dude. And I gave him the wink. And I said, you know why I did that? Because in the beginning of the round, you try to jock me like Raymond Floyd and tell me something about the weather. And I had to get back to you right there. I ignored it the whole round. Isn't that cool? So I played out the book the next day, dude, like to the T. It was so amazing, dude. And they're like, dude, you fucking played good. I shot 1 under. They're like, you can be on the senior tour and follow your dreams, dude. Follow your dreams. I'm like, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Follow your dreams, dude. Whether it's golfing, trading, doing anything, man. Man, that was a good book, dude. Thanks for that book. Let me get it. There we go. You're on step 2. What happened? Yeah, I don't know. What does that mean? Yeah, my buddy sent me a book from the Mojo room. Lori's back in the house. Hi, Lori. Everyone takes vacations. I need a vacation. Soon. Yep. Seeing that the more older you get, absolutely. Absolutely. So I already banked some moolah jula on that. What do we got here? UV29 SQQ 52 23 917. Where'd that thing go to? It bounced a couple of times off this 5188. 5188 range. All right. I think we had a little lower possibly. All right, what stocks you guys looking at right now this morning, huh? INDO. Let me check it out. INDO. 13, holy mamas. Indonesia Energy, 1395. Energy stocks, see? All my swing picks, dude. We'll be doing a USWS, my swing pick, up 14%, baby. Mojo, in a huge market correction, calls the small cap in the industry right action, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that pick, dude. Look at that pick, homies. Look at that pick, dude, in that swing, huh? That's what I call the beautifulness, huh? Go under 52, baby. That's what I call beautiful, dude, right? Look at that swing pick, Mojo. That's a sweetie sweet. Oh, yeah, I trade SQQ all day long, baby. And Moderna, I'm up 226 on right now. I'm taking half off on that right there at freaking wherever it's at. SQQ 5210 by 13. Mojo's on the money with that swing picking, huh? Look at those swings, dude. There's no one better on Wall Street. I got a link below in the description, guys. If you're in a market correction and you're not making money, you come check out these swing picks right here. Mojo's correcting, but on the upside, baby. Look at this. All in the right industry. Mullen, dude. Do you know Mullen's going to be an amazing EV? They're talking so much about automotives that in the year 2035, all the car lines are going to have all EVs and no more combustible engines. Did you know that? And every car company is adapting all their spending on rebuild within the service department for the lifts, because the EV cars are so heavy because of the batteries and the base that they have to upgrade the lifts, and everything's going to be like computerized technology to fix and service. You're going to be serviced in and out because it's all computerized. So I got all these amazing ones. US Well Services right there, guys, at 90 cents, dude. Look at that. Beauty. And I got a couple of other ones. PED, USEG, and Ring. PED up 6%. Yes. USEG up 12%, Mojo. Dude, does Mojo know how to pick swings? How did I know how to do that? How did I know how to do this, dudes, in the last 3 days on my swing picks? Let me show you the newsletter. It's right here. It was a week ago. How did I know how to do it, dude? So you got to know how to be in the newsletter and take my action right here. Right here. Look. USWS, US Well Services right there. See it? Amazing, right? Yeah. Someone's rugging in the room with your hot mic. Someone was. Got a lot of people filling in the Mojo room. 8 minutes to the open. 8 minutes. Give me a like and a subscribe on those rocket ship picks, guys, because they're mine. Let me show you the swing newsletter from what, to January 30th? Here it is. So if you're in the Mojo Swing Trading newsletter, guys, this is what you got. Check it out. You got Top Ship, 75 cents. 75 cents on tops, Mike. Really? Let's check it out. TOPS, where is it? It's 85 cents. High 92. Yesterday was $1.05. Wow. That's an amazing pick. Let's check out the next one. The next one, PED, Mike, at $1.15. You put that in the newsletter and describe to everyone how you did it, what was happening with it, the risk reward, the targets, everything. That's amazing. To go over 133, let's see where that one's at. PED. PED is the symbol. Just picked recently within the last 2 weeks. $1.40. $1.40 on PED. $1.40 from $1.15. What's the next one? JCS, $1.96, Mike. What happened with that one? JCS, $1.96, 205, Mike. Actually was up to yesterday. 262 high on JCS from 196. That's a huge move, almost 80%. Ring Energy, 255. Where'd that one go? 2.55. All in the same group. Look, oil and gas exploration. Look, oil and gas exploration. Look, oil and gas transport. How did Mike know that the oil and gases would do that? That is amazing. Look, USEG at 315. USEG at 315. USEG at $5. USEG at, that's how you do it, Zach Morris. Enjoy your vacation with my picks, because nobody picks them better than me, baby. You may got a bigger following, but you ain't a good picker like me. I could pick my nose and make a stock pick at the same time. That's talent. Now look at that. Look at that USEG, guys. Oil and gas exploration. 4.7 million in the float, 6% owned by funds. 3 last quarters. Last quarter was 110 and 345. Look at this next one, Splash Beverage. That stock went to $5. Here's another one, WTI Offshore, oil and gas exploration at 417. No one's heard of this one. Look, WTI, stock's 482. Headed into 5. 5 out of 5 swing picks. 6 out of 6 swing picks. 7 out of 7 swing picks. 8 out of 8 swing picks just on January 30th. Now that is a system. That is something that you should be in. And that newsletter goes out every Sunday night. I got a link below in the description with a webinar replay that I did a couple of weeks ago on this whole system, the course. Go check it out. Go enroll. You will be, like this, super impressed. See you in the course, guys. See you at the bank, guys. Ward's Magazine just did a piece on Mullen. They're extremely reputable, and this thing just dipped 20%. I'm going to take my chances, so that's excellent. I like that's a good idea. Damn, I was in SQQ. It dropped like a rock. Damn. I made 1,000, but I could have made fuck. I look at that, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just looked over the bar. And yeah, damn, dude. Damn. I was short at 53 and change, man, on SQQ, dudes. Darn. Who do we got in the room this morning? Hopper Chopper, what's up, buddy? We got a couple of minutes to the open. Let me go say hello to some of my OGs and some of my traders. Nothing wrong with taking a little profit. I know. We could do that. What's going on YouTube? I see you there too. Hi, guys. What's going on, Hopper? What's going on, Batman? Can you say hello?
Good morning, Mike.
Who's that? Hey, Infinity. What's up, bud? How are you?
Just watching this crazy market.
Yeah, making some good change, some good coin. Once it starts that little move, I got to be a little bit more patient to ride out my winners. But it's hard when you only got one lot sometimes. You know, you're like, damn, if I had 2 lots, I'd take it, let the other one ride. But I got 1 lot, so I'm like, it starts to go back the other way. I'm like, okay, I got 25 new chips in front of me. Nope, now I got 20 new chips. Now I got 15 new chips. Oh, I'm taking it. And then I take it with 15 new chips, and then it goes, damn, I could have made 100 new chips. But you can't do that because I only do that on 2 out of the 10. The other 8 out of the 10, I'm right. I'm just like you guys. I only remember the 2 out of 10 that go higher and the others that don't. And you know what I hate too? Is getting fooled. Because FTNT just went by the high-low list, and I thought it was my FTFT. And it's $278 a share, and I picked it at like 2. I'm like, oh my gosh, look, FTFT's 278. Wouldn't that be unbelievable, Bird Law? That would be sick, dude. I thought it was FTFT. Look, it's FTNT. And I thought it was
no, FTFT has that has the potential to go 200-300% in one day. So I'm holding on to that bad boy.
I know. There was a stock I used to be in called Cambian Learning Group. The symbol is ABCD. And Oh, so many ABC used to go by, like ABC Broadcasting, ABCO, another one. And I used to think the O was a D and it was a much higher price. So I'm like, oh, there goes our ABCD, but it wasn't. So many times I've been tricked. That's another stock like that has similar symbols around that you can get tricked.
Ari just caught $1. I think it just some of mine just sold, so it's Ari just caught $1. I think.
Aries going over Heinz $1. Nice. All the swing picks are beautiful today. So guys, let's get ready for the open right here. 31 seconds to the open, dudes. Siri is $1.02. What is Siri? Is that a stock symbol? What is that? T-bags? That's confusing, dude. I don't know what that means. Don't do that in the room at the open. Thank you. I deleted that. All right, here we go, guys. 10 seconds to the open. Looking for a pop and a drop. Here we go. Long futures. Drop. Made $1,500 on that future. Nope, 1,200, 1,500. There's the drop. Beautiful, Mojo. Woohoo! 1370, dude. Done for the day right there. I got to shut that one down. There goes Moderna. Selling half. Moderna, 41.20. Sold half. Got 107 Moderna left. Closing the futures trade. Wow, that was an amazing fucking long. I should have held one lot. I'd be up $5,000. Wow. Wow. That was unbelievable, dude. 142.44 on Moderna now, selling another quarter at 143 and change. 143 and change. Sold 143.20. Just a little bit. Moderna making a big move. There you go, boys. Facebook making a move right here. Long 193 on Facebook. Heinz. 193, 194, 195. Easy play on Facebook. Here it goes, 193.50, 193.70. Moderna, 145, new high. Selling a quarter, 145.42. Sick trade on Moderna, guys. Here goes Facebook up a G. Facebook up a G. 700 on Facebook. Selling a little Facebook through 194 now. Sold 194.01 on Facebook. Beauty Facebook. Have half left. Nice trading, Mojo. Nobody's better. Nailed that SQQ freaking drop. Look at that. I should have held one lot, dude. I'd be up $1 million, man. $1 million. Done for the day right there. Across the board on everything in 2 minutes. Futures and stocks. Oh, yes. That's what we do. Thank you, Mojo. Down 758. Every one of my swing picks is rocking. USWS up 29% like a champ. Airy swing pick up 10% like a champ. Amazing. Moderna pick new high 147 like a champ. Facebook new high 194.60 like a champ. That's what I'm talking about. I'm losing my voice on that. Wow, that's unbelievable. Give me a like on that, boys. At the open there, Mr. T-Bags. LNTH, I would never take my eye off the ball on what I'm doing to look at your pick on the open ever, dude. Just remember that. What you've done is a quasmot, something that people really don't do in the Mojo room. That happens in Atlas Trading and all this other garbage rooms and shit, you know, where everybody's just like, fucking take my chips and throw them in the air and go see if you can catch a dollar, dude. Follow Mojo. Don't be lone wolf. We trade as a team and a community. We're all in Facebook. We're all in Moderna together. That's what we do. Everyone's got USWS swing pick. Everyone's got Aries swing pick. Do you know why? Because we do it together as a team. When you're off on your own tangent, you're not in USWS. You're not in Aries. You're not in tops. You're not in the winners because you're doing your own thing. It's just so simple. It really is. New high coming on Moderna. New high coming on Moderna, 147. New high on Moderna. Got 125 left of Facebook, going 195 right now. There it is, selling through 195. Beauty. Mojo, there you go, bros. Man, that SQQ, dude. Look at that thing, dude. Went all the way. I sold it on the first bar, dude. I could have made that bar and that bar, but I was up 1,500. I'm like, that's enough. Because I'm in an evaluation, I only needed to make 500, so I made 3 times the goal in 2 minutes, 1 second. In 1 second, dude. 1 second. 1 second. Lucid's moving. That means Mulin's going to move. That is so awesome. Lucid's moving right here. LCID. See it in a rail grind popping Hines. Look at this one. MULN. 56 cents. Going to go up and rock. Was just at 57. Mulin, dudes. Showing you, look, market at 56 right here. MULN. This is a gold's dream. Yo, Zach Morris. You want a freaking really good one, dude? Let me give you Mulin. Zach, look at this shit, brother. Don't you freaking remember. Don't ever forget where you got this from. See this? That looks like underwear. Let's go red. Okay. And we have a beautiful heart. Let me change the, come on, is that? Not erasing the dot. I'll just write over it. Love. There we go. It did work a little bit. Zach. Love. For you. 55 cents. Buy. Do this one in a different color. Buy MULN at 55. There you go. That's going to be for the record books. It's right there. I got to come on over. He's on vacation. I got to do work for my boys, dude. That's what I do for my team. That's Zachy right there. And he's the guy from Saved by the Bell, the guy, you know, the actor. Zach, check it out. And I got the heart going right here. DYOR. And that's Mullen. That was in my 221 swing newsletter. And I'm going to give him the actual pick. See, guys, we need no war. Just chill out, people. Just chill out, people. Just chill out. Just chill out, baby. See that? Bam. $100 million he'll make on that pick. Watch. 100 million. He won't make $1 million. He won't make 5 million. He'll make 100 million. Look, 57 by 58. Fucking SQQ. Son of a bitch. Man, I could have made a fortune in 5,000 on that. Right? Right? I could have made a fortune in 50 million, dude. I was so right on that pick. I'm so right on that pick. Dude.
Hey guys, do us a favor. I know you don't all have massive followings like Mike does, but get on Twitter and put Mullen out.
You just follow my egg. Here you go, guys. Let me give you my tweet. Retweet and comment on my tweet. Give it a like and say Mojo's the best. Let's go. And then copy it and put it out there. Here it is. I'm posting it in the room. LFG, baby. Here we go. Copy link. Let's go. Here we go. Go post and tweet and meeting, baby. We're going to head into 60. Start to move up into Rally G, baby. We got the chairlift going into Rally G, Bebs. Look, watch. You ready? Chair, Rally G, baby. And we just entered. And we're on the 5-minute. I can't wait to switch to the 15. Look at that, homies. Rally G. Woohoo! Loving it. Loving the trading today, guys. This is how we do it. You know, it's what we do. Look at that Rally G on Mullen, dude. Just heading up. She bangs over that green bar, which is 58. She heads into 70, bros. I got Zach Morris. I got ProTrader OG Mouse coming in the room. Going to be freaking buying 5 million of them shares. 10 million of them shares, dude. By one person. See the volume? They're going to come in tomorrow and be like, holy shit, I have more shares in my account than the volumes traded. That's what traders do. I know. Traders do that. They take huge positions and then the stock's got to trade that, you know. But hey, when the stock's at $1.50 trading 10 million, That's a game changer. It's 57 right now.
What do
CEI,
you know, Mike?
CEI is approaching that Heinz right now, guys, from that 80 cent this morning. Went through 91. Check it out on that CEI pick. CEI 94. I sent that one to Zach yesterday. That's got a 3-barrer right here on 16 million. I think I sent it up to CEI yesterday. Let me see. I think I did. I think I did the CEI yesterday. Let's see, where is it? CEI, CEI. Oh, I gave the Jaws giveaway last night, the Sketchy giveaway. Look at this guy, minted 4 Sketchy apes last night, dude. You guys got to go mint the Sketchy, bro. Before it's, and there's one rare one left, so you can get one that could be worth like, I mean, priceless, bro. Priceless. Those 3 rares are priceless. Look, Mulin right here, see? Mulin's the shit, dude.
CEI just Heinz.
CEI just Heinz, dude, for you guys. CEI just Heinz, dude, right here. See? There's Zach right there. Right there. See, that's him. Dats and Wish were moving. STRN, CEI. Wish, CEI, 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 CEI. Kern, FTFT, Mulin, Stern, Stern. Oh, look, dude. Mojo introductory course for $10, dude, through Maven app. Go on your phone into the app or Android store, download Maven Messenger, search crypto right there, ProTrader Mike, introductory session, $10, dude. You guys got to check out the Maven app. The Maven app is sick. Dude, I got to check out the Maven app right now. The Maven app is sick. So I come right here. So I got to make it 2 videos at one time. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to say broadcast. Turn my camera on, reverse that baby. Let me sit up in my chair. Hey traders, ProTrader Mike. I'm doing the MOJO Day Trading show. I just went across my Twitter and bam, I ran across my Maven ad that I posted. Crypto Basics with me, $10, dude. Priceless conversation we'll have about crypto, NFTs. I'll answer all your questions. It's on the Maven app. So you're in the Maven app. And for anybody that's not, forward this video to them and show them how to download the Maven app, Maven Messenger, ProTrader Mike, crypto, NFTs, LFG. Let's go. Done. I just sent that to 151 customers on my Maven app. Thank you, Mojo. Where's my CEI? 10 was good yesterday. Where's my CEI? I had it, dude. I guess it was in this one post right here. Right here. I guess it was in this one. Right there with the CEI bang through $1. Let me go bang it out. Look. We got something going on. Hit the buck. I'm expecting another punch at it. With a squeeze after, baby. That's me, baby. CEI. Go get him, Zach. Attack a mac a chack. Poo, poo, poo. Let's see what we got with the DATs. DATS, $1.90. Wisha Pisha, $1.90. Ooh, they're all $1.90. And STRN, $1.70. What's this doing? Damn. CEI approaching that Hines. CEI going through that Hines. INDO, that Indonesia energy. That doesn't tickle my fancy. Moderna still got my half of my Moderna left, dude. Moderna going to 147 right now for all of my option traders that are trading options in the Mojo room against my picks. Bam, we nailed Facebook. Bam, we nailed Moderna. Bam, we nailed DWAC. Bam, we nailed AMC. Bam, we nailed Pelletier. Let's go, baby. PLTR, Mini Hines 1050. Moving like a groovin'. PLTR, Mini 1050. That's what we got. We're in play. Looking for the 1084 mark.
Mike, I want to talk about Palantir. That's actually a stock that I'm very familiar with. That has incredible military applications. They have massive government contracts, and the technology they use is what they use to keep them in step with other superpowers like Russia and China. If that gets a little bit of news behind it, there's actual war. That thing could blow up like it did before. Just saying.
Love that. Hear that, guys? On Pelletier. Facebook new high, guys. 196.11. New high, guys. Told you. Look at that Facebook pick. Look at that Moderna pick. 146. Signal at 145.93. Look. Signal, guys. Look. Right here. Going through. Absolutely. Gone. Gone. There it is. Right at the signal. Gone. They just took it. Told you. That's how Mojo rolls. I knew it was bullish. Did you see how fast they took it, dude? Did you see how fast? You're going to, hey, Trooper, you're going to make freaking 50 grand on Mullen, right? Going to get you all out of the hole on Mullen, right?
Come on, Scott.
Huh, Trooper? Confirm so I don't hear it after and say, hey, Mike, I'm in the hole still and I needed to make 5 grand and I didn't do Mullen, but I'm asking you now to make sure and shit. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't come up after and say, oh, and I hear the sob story and shit. Good.
I want a tip this time.
Yeah.
I want a tip, Scott.
Titleist Pro V1Xs, man. That's my choice. That's my choice. If we were allowed to take tips, Bird Law, I'd fucking be a zillionaire, dude.
I know, dude. I know.
But you're not allowed to take tips because then you're a broker.
Yep.
And you're not allowed to be a broker. Mojo's, you don't have to. What I'm doing with education and my picks and speaking about what I'm doing is for educational purposes only. Trading is very risky. Most people lose. And do your own research and hypothetical trading and simulated like we do. Sometimes you don't get the same fills and things you do as when you're live trading. So keep that in mind, guys. And when you accept, like a broker puts out a pick and accepts commission, that's you have to be licensed for. And Mojo doesn't do that. Mojo's an educational service, and what we do requires no registrations. And read the disclaimer. It's right here again. I'll put it up again for you. See, we're a provider of stock market education. We're not registered with either the U.S. Securities Exchange, federal government regulatory authority. The business services and activities of MOJO Day Trading require any such registrations. You understand and acknowledge there's a high degree of risk in trading securities. The authors, publishers, affiliates, moderators, anybody in the company assume no responsibility for your trading or your results. It should be assumed that the methods, techniques, indicators presented in these videos, products will be profitable, or they will or that they will not result in losses. It should not be assumed. Past results of a trader or system published by the strategies of the company are not indicative of future returns or the system, and read all that, guys. So good trading. Nice job on Pelletier. Love that stock. It's good for covered calls. I'm going to do a webinar, I thought yesterday, on that stock and selling covered calls and the purpose of that. Because if you did that, guys, on Pelletier and you brought in $1 premium and you did that 11 times this year, you would own PLTR at a cost basis of 0. I love that. That's like Warren Buffett, beautifulness, dude. That's like upper echelon, investment power that you only like read or hear about, not ever do about. And I'm bringing it to you to do about it. Absolutely. Everybody should get signed up. What's up? Let's go, DS, Dillian. You should come join the room. Join the team. You guys that are out there on YouTube watching, there's a 30-second delay, man. Come join the team in the Discord, and then we get you all signed up as a pro trader. Start taking my courses. Let's bang this baby out. Mojo's rocking it. Yeah, where's Newman today and shit? And the Newmans. I don't know where they are, dude. The Newmans should be like a regular routine. Where's my boys? Let's do some trading in the Mojo room, team. Come on now. Don't be shy. Mojo's got your eye. That's what I say. That's what I know. That's what I do. I'm doing a video on this coin, dude, called Tron. You ever heard of Tron before? New high on Moderna coming. You guys ever heard of Tron before? Tron, Tron. I've been involved with that coin for 6 years. 2016, I had it with KuCoin. No, Tron is the movie, yes, but it's a coin. Look, my Diatica. Keep an eye on this Diatica, dudes. This company is involved with COVID like Moderna and NVAX, but better. Better than Moderna, not better than NVAX. They do the same. Like Moderna and these RNAs, they put the shot in you, and then your system builds the proteins that destroy the COVID. That's how it works. This company has the protein, gives you the shot, kills the COVID. Your body doesn't have to do any sort of reaction to the RNA to kill the COVID, because different people's bodies create different proteins. Every person's different on how they react to the RNA, if you know how it works. That's how it works. Does the book on Mullen discourage you all? There is no book. Mullen hasn't done anything yet. Here's ARCA right here, level 1. Here's the montage. Here's the IEX on it right there. There's a 904 at 56 cents. That's the level 3. There's only one person there. No one really there. It's going to run to probably like 70 cents and go from red to green. I love red to green moves. Look at Pelletier, new high, 1064. 1064 on Pelletier. So if you're going to do some options now, buy the Pelletier, like I said, and do the options, you'd be looking at the $11 Pelletiers. 2 weeks out right now. PLTR 1069 options right here. So you come out to March 4th and you can pick up 32 cents. Nope, let's get some more. Let's go out one more week, March 11th. The $11 is 48 cents right now. 11.50 is 36, so there's an 12-cent difference on a 50-cent move. Here's a 20-cent difference on a 50-cent move, so that's 12 difference here versus 20-cent difference there. I kind of like the 11.50 right here, doing this 11.50 right here. So it's 36 cents. So the play on the Pelletier is that. I'll write it up for you guys right now. I'll do it on my Twitter and then post it into the room. So my play on Pelletier. Covered call strategy. What you want to do is step number 1, buy shares long. Every 100 shares equals 1 contract to sell. You're selling a covered call. Okay, step 2. A 100 shares at 13. What is it at? What's it at? 10.50. $10,500. Step 2. Sell 1 contract. Sell 1 contract. PLTR March 11th expiration. Strike 11.50. Premium equals 36. Put it in for 40 on the ask. That's what you can do as a limit. Okay, right there. Step 3. If the stock stays the same, you keep the shares plus 40. If the stock goes lower, you keep the shares plus the 40. If the stock goes above 11.50, you sell and profit $1 plus keep the 40 equals 140 profit, locked in, 311 equals 140. You bought it for what? 10.50. So 140 divided by 10.50 is 13.33% in 2 weeks.
Hey, Mike.
And there it is. Yep.
Another important thing to consider with Palantir is that Kathy Wood's fund ARC is effectively at 0 shares now.
Yeah, she sold it.
Yep, we all know she's one of the most, they short against her intraday stuff more than probably anyone out there. So if they aren't interested in doing that against her, then that's a positive for us, and PLTR can do what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. I'm not so glamourated with her moves.
No, she might be in trouble here.
So that's part one right there. And then that's send. And then this is part two. There. See that, dudes? That's how it works, man. That's how the covered calls work, dude. Look at that beauty. What's Moderna? 149. How's your options on Moderna now at 150, guys? How's your options on Moderna that I called out? You doing okay? You know, every day before the open, I call out one to go 3 or 4 or 5 points. Do you know that? And it does that? You guys know that, right? Anybody do that? Hear about it? Know about it? What would happen? Anybody? No? Come on now. Anybody? Facebook went, like I said, 192, 193, 194, 195. Come on now. Nobody? 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 I said Moderna is going to go 140 to 45 to mini 50 options play and trend trade. Didn't you see that? Come on now. Guys, are you trading like pros in the Mojo room? Look, come on. See, Moderna at 907, 140 to 45 could possibly go into 50 options play and trend trade. That means we're going to buy the open and sell the close. Did you do that on Moderna? Yes or no? It was called out at 907. I guess not. I'll just talk to my Twitter people because no one talks to me in the Mojo room. It's crazy, isn't it? I don't know what they're doing. No one talks to me in my whole chat room, dude. It's the
No, I get it.
craziest thing I've ever seen. No
I'm
love.
sorry. Go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. I did it. I got it at 146, and I'm just writing it out now.
Who is that?
Claude.
Oh, Claude, thanks for saying hello today and introducing yourself. So you got that trade, Moderna,
I did.
at 146. Good job, dude. Congratulations. Thanks for following the Mojo.
Yeah, I wish I got a little earlier because I thought we had it at 142.
I did. I picked it.
Yeah.
That's where I picked it in originally. You picked it up a little late, but still did good.
Yeah, the thing is, like, I only pick up the options, once it opened at 9:30. So
This is done with Mojo accuracy. Golden, dude. Golden. Did your chat room give you this options play to grow your small account from 500 out challenge to 10K? This is done with Mojo accuracy. Take a look. 1 call per day runs the options 100% golden. Done. See that? Let's undo that. What was the symbol on that? That was Moderna. Wait till my other one runs.
I've already made back what I paid in both the classes.
Hear that, guys? He's already made back what he's paid for. Could you type that in the chat room, dude, so I can have it in print and use that for my next thing? Mike, on your Moderna options play this morning, I've made more back than both of the courses that I've took to learn your system. I've only been here a month. Absolutely. USWS was a sick pick, man. Went 124 today. Airy 101. Love my picks. Pelletier, new high 77. Moderna went through 150 to 151. Amazing. Diatica, 378 by 90 now. INDO. Beautiful. Yeah, man, I'm going to do a report on that Diatica. I think it's running. Fast Guy's at work running $1 million. Check this out, dude. You can do the same thing, dude. Look, it's Fast Guy. He's at work running $1 million Amida 3K laser. Sweet. Take a picture and post it in the room. Just listening and playing some Moulin. Moulin hasn't made its move yet, but dudes, when it does, watch out, dude. It'll be like Moderna up 13 bucks. See that Moderna up 13 bucks? That's what it'll be like. Totally, dude. It may happen today. There's a signal at 59 loading up, stacking on the right. Look. Look right here. Signal. 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 See that? It's heading up right now. It's running, dude. Look, 59.60. Pelletier, new high, 77 on Pelletier. You can get more than 40 on them options now. New high on Pelletier, 78. Beauty. Switch to the 15-minute rail grind. Switch to the 15-minute rail grind right here on Pelletier. Go from 5 to 15. In 15 at 82. 80 new high on Pelletier, 82 chairlifting into rail grind beautifully right here. In rail grind, tremendously with a beautiful head right there. Look at that, Pelletier. I'm put that in Mojo University. Another one of my great picks as I do every day. What is that? That's Randall Amada laser, basic fiber. Ooh, look at this, dudes. In the Mojo room, we got some laser Amada lasers. As Pelletier's making a sick ass run. 1084. Look at this. That's some cool ass laser. Look at that laser, dude. Damn. What are you lasering? Cutting? Cutting something. Randall, my new guy, Randall. Randall was with me years ago and came back. Shows you the power of Mojo, right? Job, Randall. Twitter's moving. Spiking right here. Twitter's in a spike. Moderna's new high, 151 now on Moderna. I got 21 shares left of Moderna. He says, crazy, Mike. I've already made back 1,800 that I've paid for the 2 courses. Bam. 2 courses, 1,800, already made it back. And he's only been with me like a freaking week. Pelletier, 186. We're going into Hines, guys. That option you can get a lot more now for, see? That you bought at 50. So I just wait on that option till the end of the day. See where that baby closes. So you come right here. You go PLTR. Right here is the, let me give you that link for the option on that March 11. That March 11, 1150 is now worth 42 cents. I told you can get 50 cents for it, bro. I'd even go maybe, no, not the 12. I'll keep the 1150 going right here. Here's the link for the 1150. Mojo's badass, dude. Give me a like, guys, on my video. Come on now.
everybody doing here? Anybody else bank on that Palantir trade?
Yeah, I'm still in it. Yeah, I'm still in the Palantir now, actually.
Good. I know some of you guys are at work and you can't say anything about trading, but I do appreciate the written comments as well in the room. That helps us. That gives us something to work with as far as promoting what we're doing too. So we do like to hear your love. Guys, I sit here and I talk to you guys, but I'm sitting here I'm promoting for Mike in this room, and I still manage to make money. I can't focus the way you guys do, but even with like 10% of what I have in terms of my focus, I'm still making money every day. Like I'm pulling in, a minimal amount, and I know Mike is as well compared to what he could be there drinking coffee, talking to himself, which he's pretty much doing that right now. Help the guy out. Help yourselves out. Talk to him. Palantir, great call. Great call, Mike. Crushed it again. Scott or Trooper, I really hope you're in MULN, bud. That conversation we had this morning, you better be in MULN. Okay. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, 333,000 and 3,000 are a little bit different. Mike, I thought the market was supposed to be dead today. Good thing everyone's in the MOJO room. Mulin's gonna go through 60 here.
Morning, everybody.
Was that Adam that came in? Morning, Adam.
Morning. How's futures looking today?
Hey guys, ProTrader Mike back at the desk. Sitting here back at the desk, guys. Let's check it out. What we got in the Mojo room. How'd you guys do today in there? What do we got? SQQ 49 at Facebook 195, Moderna 148, Mullen 58. There was a question about Mullen. It's a swing pick. It could be a day trade. When it's going to be a day trade, you see the 17 million shares it traded. When it trades 17 million shares at 9 o'clock in the morning, that's the day it'll fly up and be a day trade. Right now, they're just accumulating it for that day. Does everyone understand in the Mojo room? And online? What's going on with it? How to play it? It already is a swing pick. Could turn into a day trade. Thought that maybe earlier, but the volume didn't pump in. I try to, see if that would happen, and it didn't. So today's not the day for it, but another day would. The fact that the market down so much and Mojo's doing good on these down days is just quite phenomenal. That CEI wants to curl up from 81. I'd be careful with that if it came from $1. There's a signal at 85 right there, actually. He just disappeared and flashed it. But, yeah, all right, looking good, looking good. What's Pelletier at? 1093. Went to 1110. Love it, man. Great pick. Great pick. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm going to end the Mojo show for today and try to get some things scheduled and have a great rest of the day. We're in the Mojo room pretty much done for the day. I'm going to put out my what I do, my daily profiteers, my daily goal right there for the day. And what I do in the Mojo room, daily goals hit right there. Great work, Lori. Great day, Chief. Great day, everybody. So let's take a break and come back in a little while after lunch. It's 11 o'clock. Take a break, do your thing. Maybe see you this afternoon, and we'll check it out. Thanks again, guys. Peace. Keep it profitable now. And if you have any questions, you know how to contact me. I'm flying out of here later.